Hello, y'all. It's Danielle Jones from Large Family Homestead. I am a mom of 10. I love to do Amazon Subscribe and Save once a month because I use those Amazon coupons linked down below to get some great deals on things that my family uses. So this month we did spend a little more than normal. I like to try and come in under $100, but I had to get a few extra things this month. So we spent $144.98, and you'll see why in a second. But we did get some amazing buys this month. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is what we got for $144.98, and I'll break down all the prices here for you. So there was a deal on the Annie's cheddar mac and cheese. I like to stock these in the pantry when they're on sale. It was $8.95 or 75 cents a box. So somehow I missed that Annie's. So that wasn't in my total there that I figured out, but that is $3.56 or 89 cents a piece. And I also got Brian 2 more cases of that Fruit Punch body armor. You heard me say I can't get that cheaper anywhere else, just the Fruit Punch flavor that he likes. So the two of them together were $18.12 or 76 cents a piece. I got the Orgain protein mix. I think this was, I want to say a Prime Day deal. We like the Orgain very much. That was $12 for that, and that has 18 servings. But a lot of us use just one scoop, so 36 servings. I found these Pacific Foods vegetable lentil soups. I love Pacific Foods, love the brand so much. They were $6.40 or $1.60 each. Then the Roar Hair Tribe turned me on to making my own vanilla, which I knew I needed to do. And this is the vanilla that they use, so I bought it. That's 50 vanilla beans for $32.29, so a little bit of a splurge, but to make your own, it's going to save money, I think, in the long run. I got this cute little candle for Brian's office. That was on sale for $7.46. Also grabbed these EOS lip balms for the little girls, $2.68 or $1.34 a piece. Oh, the Mrs. Meyer's laundry dryer sheets. We rip these up into multiple dryer sheets and just use a little strip. So this lasts almost like a year for us. That was $6.38. And I also miss these goodies. Oh, what am I doing? I'm losing my mind, I think. I got the 60 count of goodies. I think they were like $2.60 maybe for the little girls, just for something fun. We lose so many hair ties. And then the other expensive thing in our order was the Frizz Life cartridge set. We have this under our sink. We also use the Berkey, so we filter our water 2 times. And every now and then we need new cartridges, and now is the time. So a whole set of those came to $50.70. So that's where a lot of our money went to. So as you saw, it wasn't a typical order, and I didn't even figure the total right. With the Annies and the goodies, it would have came to under $160 instead of $144.98. Remember that Amazon prices change frequently. So if you're going to buy something linked down below, just check that price carefully before you do, because it may not be the same. Although sometimes I have seen that when we're linking the products, they're actually cheaper. So you definitely want to check them out. I also would love to hear what you got in your subscribe and save. Or if you're a channel that shows your orders, can you let me know below? Because I get so many great ideas, just like I did from the Roar Hair Tribe talking about their vanilla. Thanks for joining us, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.